Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's video. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको vowels सिखाऊंगा। लेकिन vowels होते क्या हैं? Well, vowels are the letters A, E, I, O and U. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet and the rest are consonants. A consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. For example, B, H, K, R, and D. पहला vowel जो मैं आज आपको सिखाऊंगा है A. Example words that have this vowel are car, hat, happy, and sad. दूसरा vowel है E. Example words that have this vowel are bed, eel, pen, and hen. तीसरा vowel है I. Example words that have this vowel are light, tin, sit, and bin. चौथा vowel है O. Example words that have this vowel are boots, book, hot, and pot. आखिरी vowel जो मैं आज आपको सिखाऊंगा है U. Example words that have this vowel are hut, up, sun, and jump. Now, there can even be more than one vowel per word. Some words that have more than one vowel are hello, write, read, build, and drive. Did you know every word has at least one vowel? Without vowels, there would not be any words. This means that the English language would not exist. Thank you everyone for watching this video and I'll see you soon.